If you're seeing the game Unavailable error in Epic Games, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This problem can happen for a few different reasons, like a bad internet connection, a launcher glitch, corrupted game files, account sign-in issues, or even a VPN conflict. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming fix guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is restart the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes the launcher just needs a fresh start, especially if a game page is loading incorrectly or the store is not syncing properly. Close Epic Games completely, not just the window. Make sure it is not still running in the system tray and then open it again. After relaunching, go back to your library and check if the game still shows as unavailable. Next, check your internet connection. Epic Games needs a stable connection to verify your account and load game availability correctly. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, the launcher may fail to display the game properly. Try switching to a more stable network, restarting your router, or disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. If possible, open a browser and confirm that other websites are loading normally. If the problem continues, the next step is to verify the game files in your library. This is one of the most effective fixes when a game shows as unavailable because missing or damaged files can cause the launcher to behave incorrectly. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find the game, and click the three dots or the options menu next to it. Then choose the Verify option and let the launcher scan the files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it can repair missing data automatically. After that, log out of your Epic Games account and log back in again. Account session problems can sometimes make a game appear unavailable even when it should work normally. Signing out refreshes your account connection and can fix temporary authentication issues. Once you log back in, check the library again and see if the game is available. Another important thing to try is disabling your VPN if you have one running. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Game services, region checks, or account verification. If Epic cannot confirm the correct service connection, it may show a game as unavailable. Turn off the VPN completely, restart the launcher, and then check the game again. If you're on a work or school network, that can also cause restrictions, so testing on a different internet connection may help. If you've gone through all of those steps and the issue is still there, wait a few minutes and refresh the launcher again. Sometimes Epic Games is dealing with a temporary server-side issue, and the game may become available again after the platform syncs properly. You can also try restarting your PC for a clean reset, which often clears out minor background issues that affect the launcher. So to recap, the main fixes are: restart the Epic Games launcher, check your internet connection, verify the game files, log out and log back in, and disable your VPN. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the game unavailable problem quickly. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next troubleshooting guide.